Why do some insulated water bottles lose their insulation after a few falls? To understand this issue, we need to grasp how insulated bottles retain temperature. First, the bottle body is made into a double-layer stainless steel structure, and then the space between the two layers is evacuated to prevent heat transfer to the outside world through the bottle body or air. That's how an insulated water bottle is made. If you want a stainless steel water bottle to maintain thermal insulation continuously, it's essential for the factory to have excellent materials and welding techniques. If the materials or techniques don't meet the standards, when the water bottle is subjected to impact, the integrity of the inner and outer layers can easily be compromised, leading to leakage of the vacuum layer, thus affecting the insulation effect. So why can Everich stainless steel cups still have excellent insulation effect after falling several times? Advanced vacuum pumping technology. The vacuum layer is the key to insulation. Some backward factories may have some problems, such as incomplete vacuum layer and poor sealing performance in the production process. Everich, on the basis of tailless vacuum, adds thinning technology to thin the original liner, reduces weight while increasing capacity, and improves insulation effect. High-quality stainless steel raw materials. The spinning thinning technology demands high-quality materials to strengthen the bottle's resistance to falls and protect the vacuum layer. Everich stainless steel raw materials selected from Fujian, Jiangsu. This high-quality stainless steel offers excellent durability and corrosion resistance, ensuring the mug's inner and outer layers remain intact. Even after falling, the stainless steel material can maintain stability and ensure the integrity of the vacuum layer. Lead-free solder. Solder is an important link to ensure vacuum layer vacuum. Lead-free solder has good wettability and fluidity, improves the quality and stability of soldering, can effectively prevent leakage of vacuum layer, and ensures the insulation effect of the bottle. Of course, lead-free solder is also more environmentally safe. Strict quality inspection. Everich factory has a strict quality inspection system. Each bottle has undergone strict inspection and testing of multiple processes. After vacuumizing, the factory will do 3 more vacuum tests on the bottle to ensure that the quality of the vacuum layer reaches an optimal level. Combining these factors, Everich mugs maintain excellent insulation even after falls, ensuring both warmth and safety. So, a seemingly simple stainless steel water bottle conceals a complex manufacturing process. Are you looking to purchase high-quality insulated water bottles? Please find a reliable drinkware supplier Everich to provide you with professional service